everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Face Unlock not working on Realme. First thing that you'll have to do is manually unlock your device by entering the password on your device. Once you've unlocked your device, you can simply head over to your quick settings and then head over to settings on your device. Once you're here, you'll have to tap on apps, tap on app management. Once you're here, simply search for the camera app inside of your search bar, tap on camera, head over to storage users, clear the cache of the camera app and try again to use your screen unlock. If the issue still persists, what you can also do is head back over to your settings, tap on security and privacy, tap on device unlock and make sure that inside device unlock your face is added. If that too does not work, try wiping the top of your camera with a soft microfiber cloth and move to a more well-lit area for your phone's camera to work. If the issue still persists and your camera is blurry or not working on your camera app as well, it is likely that your camera is damaged. Also, if this is the first time that you are unlocking your device after you've rebooted your device, you will not be able to use Face Unlock. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.